Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you one more use of software robots. UiPath robot can help us to learn UiPath itself. So let's start this T2 trainer, our T2 robot series. I have added one more. So this robot will train us how to use UiPath. So let's see when robot will enable. And okay, yeah, robot is here.
Welcome to TITURobot. Please select action you want to do.
I'm selecting learning and let's see how robot will train us.
We are going to learn how to apply if activity in workflow. Open UiPath Studio and create new project. Create new sequence. Take input dialog from activities and place it in your workflow by drag and drop or double-clicking on it. Now text area type. Please enter value of salary. Now set label value as salary. In property, you can see the output property. In output field, create variable by pressing Ctrl K and give variable name as in salary. Now go to variable pane. In bottom of your work area, you can see here, new variable in salary is created. We need to change its data type to int32. Now take if condition activity from activities. Write your business condition in condition text area. Here, we are going to check salary is greater than 50,000 or not, so we will word condition salary 50,000. If salary is greater than 50,000, then I want to display message, good salary, and if it is not, then different message, poor salary. Now take message box activity, place it in, then block, and in text area, write it's good salary. Now take message box activity, place it in, else block, and in text area, write it's poor salary. Congratulations, your workflow is ready. Now you can run it by clicking Start. Thank choosing TITU robots. Will come soon with next activity.
So friends, our workflow is ready. Let's run it. Okay. So now my workflow is working fine as I expected. So we can use software boards for learning purpose also. So this is just a demonstration how can we use it. Thank you so much. See you soon with next video.